All right, YouTube, I just got an Intex pool vacuum that we're gonna put together. We're gonna put in the pool and we're gonna try it out. First thing is a couple of things we got to put together. One is, if I flip this upside down, we need to add these over here. So I'm going to do that first. All right, so I put on one of these. I'm going to put the other one in. These basically just snap right in. Basically just push it and pop it down. These help to collect the debris as it's going through the floor. All right, YouTube, it comes with this other piece. This gets connected to the out of your pool filter. And then the vacuum runs to that. So we're gonna go over to our pool filter. I'm gonna connect this up. Okay, so on my pool, this is the out. I have a best way pool and I need to unscrew this and take this off. This is the A on mine. Once you do that, this actually gets screwed on. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. You screw this on, then we're going to connect the vacuum to there. So the vacuum connects up to there once that's screwed on. Now with the vacuum, we screwed one end of the hose onto here. You're going to screw one end onto here like this. Then we're going to screw the other end onto that piece I just showed you inside the pool. Okay, YouTube, so I have the robot on top of the pool. I screwed that end in on the pool filter and this here. Now we need to lower this. Actually, what we're gonna need to do is, see that we're gonna need to fill, we need to put this down. This needs to fill with water. So I'm actually gonna hold this open. I'm gonna put the hose in and I'm actually gonna let this fill with water. I actually have to put the hose in, so I'm gonna put this down. Okay, so I have the robot in the pool and he's cruising around, you'll see. Actually moving pretty quick. You need to make sure, you gotta try and get the air out of the robot. So you need to try and fill the hose with water to get the air out. But if you see now, he's cruising. He's going back and forth and he will clean the pool. So we're gonna leave him and let him do his dirty work for now, and I'll come back in a while. Okay, so I just had this running in the pool and I just took the vacuum out. It's been running, it ran for about 2 hours, and compared to the way we started, it did a really good job. So I just took it out now. Now the next step is gonna be to clean it. To clean it, you flip it upside down, you take off your clips. There's gonna be a screen under there that we need to wash out. Let's see if we can get that. Flip that upside down and ooh, look at all that. So that's all the crap it caught at the bottom. So this thing did a really good job, let me tell you. For about $100 for a vacuum, this thing did an excellent job. I'm gonna wash this out and put it back in the same way. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.